Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about the Kopi jetpacks. So if you guys do get something out of this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment down below on a scale of 1 to 100. How loose was the moose? So by the way, this kind of threw me off a little bit. I was looking for Kopi, and it looks like they updated or changed their logo to a black and white one. So I was like, man, I hope I'm on the right one. And it is at Cornucopia's game. So this is it. Guys, check out our other videos. I did a video on Gmeld and Meld, Nuvola, and there's also a Molder NFT live sale right now. So if you guys want, check it out. Use the link tree, whatever you got to do. So let's dive right into this. So guys, by the way, pick up your Tangem. I'm not going to be editing this video. So as I move around different tabs, that's the way it's going to be. So jetpacks will have a huge impact on gameplay. So this was an announcement by Rob the Fox. Awesome dude. So I met Rob in Las Vegas. That was cool. So the moose left his cave and came out there for a bit. So here are 10 things you need to know. So by the way, I have not gone through these 10 things. I wanted it to be a surprise for the video for myself as well. Okay, so I'm looking forward to this video. I've been waiting. So let's dive into this. So jetpacks are launching in Cornucopia's game in a few weeks. So guys, a few weeks, I talked about it. There's going to be a jetpack and other different element sale for Cornucopia. So keep that in mind. So they will be playable in the next build. So with the next build, you'll be able to actually use these jetpacks. So this is 10 things you need to know about jetpacks and a few questions you need to ask yourself. So interesting. Moose is always asking himself questions like, why is he making content nobody watches? Number 1, jetpacks will have a huge impact on gameplay. All right, I mean, that is pretty rhetorical. Cool. Number 2, climbing up the mountains of Solus just got a lot easier and way more fun. I like that. So I did get to play this game in Vegas. I was very impressed. The scale, guys, the scale of the game just got the moose loose. I don't know what else to say. Number 3, different jetpacks will have different traits. Very cool. 4, if you thought Solus looked incredible from the ground, wait until you see it from the sky. So that's interesting. So you can imagine that open world in Solus, you're moving around, whatever you're doing, maybe getting chased by a bear or a moose or something, and you could probably get away and get up in the air. So that's interesting. I like that a lot. So not just a bubble jet getting around, but a jetpack. Number 5, Holo Cash speed runs will have a new dimension. So that I'm not quite sure what it means. I should probably have ChatGPT on standby. 6, as part of the packs collection, most will have storage. Very interesting. So I'm wondering, when you mint, if you're getting a pack and you don't know which one you'll get. This is going to be fun. Guys, Cornucopias right now is literally the game that I think could just go nuts. There's going to be so many more users. Okay. 7, some will automatically recharge. Some require fueling. That is cool. I like every element about this game. I like the realism and the challenges that they're bringing towards this game. So 8, what happens when they run out of fuel and you are mid-air? Do they explode? Are you going to have to take a parachute down? Are you going to go skydiving or moose diving? What's going on here? What's happening? I don't know. 9, who made the scrapyard jetpacks? That's a question for myself. I don't know. Maybe Josh. I don't know. 10, how will Bubblejet respond to Zero G's early domination? I think jetpacks are going to be sweet, but I still think bubble jets are going to be really cool. So are you looking forward to jetpacks? Dude, on a scale of 1 to a Moose Loose, 99. How do you think they will affect gameplay? I think they'll be cool. I think it's going to add a level of uniqueness to the game, right? So you think about cornucopias, how is it going to find its stride? This is the kind of thing that makes it a little bit different. Not weird, but like, kind of like imprinting its own like Iron Man touch to it, It's going to have this nice fun feel. I like this a lot. So guys, are you going to mint a jetpack? Let me know if you're going to get loose on this, guys. Cornucopias right now. By the way, we are Thursday, September 26, 2024. We just hit 65K with Bitcoin, and Cornucopias is going to be the next one to take off. So when the jetpacks come out, guys, head over to Linktree. I will have it under news alert. So under the Moose news alert, I'm going to have the jetpack sale. And guys, you know what to do. Pick up a Tangent, pick up a Trezor, pick up a Ledger, send Moose an email. Tell me how much you love the content and how much your net worth's gone up. Mine's been going up by the minute. So guys, we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.